Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can type text in your whiteboard presentation on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your whiteboard presentation. Here on the left hand side select the text tool. Not this one here, the built-in text tool on Canva, but for whiteboard presentation. So you will need to navigate to presentation to access this tool here. Click into it and that is going to insert your text box here. So type in your text. And then it works almost the same way as adding text to your designs and projects on Canva. You may highlight the text and then apply a link, for example, or lock the given element, or go to the text formatting options at the top, change the font size by clicking into plus or minus here. You may resize the text box as well by using these handles. Apply bold letters, change the font color, apply or change the text alignment, use uppercase and lowercase if the given font supports it, of course. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.